Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Mosier, and if you're tuning into this video, chances are that your assigned role is the connection comparing person. So today I'm going to go over what that role looks like and how to do a really good job in completing this assignment. Remember, the expectation is to try and complete chapters 1 through 5 in your Literature Circle book. I'm hoping that if you're struggling to complete your slide, you will click on this video and it'll give you a really good example using Inside Out and Back Again. Okay, remember, if you're confused, please tune in for office hours from 10 to 11 on Tuesdays. Shoot us an email or a message in Google Classroom and we are happy to help you. Again, if you are the connection comparing person, you are in the right spot. Okay, so like I said, we're using Inside Out and Back Again to give you a really good example of what a completed assignment would look like if you are the connection comparing person. Okay, so just give me a second to get there. So your slide will look like this, and it says connection comparing. Pick two characters to compare in the Venn diagram below. So the first thing that you're going to do is type in your character one's name, which is Ha from Inside Out and Back Again, and then character two would be her mom. Okay, you would just click in those boxes and type their names in. A Venn diagram gives you three things. The first column is things about character number one. The second column is things about character number two. And then lastly, that third combining column where they meet is things that they have in common. So you're putting in differences and some similarities between the two characters. So an example of this for Ha would be, Ha had to say goodbye to her friend Titi. Ha doesn't have a lot of patience, and Ha sneaks treats when her mom sends her to the store. When it comes to the mom, some differences that they have are that the mom is superstitious. Okay, mother grew up wealthy or rich, which is very different from what we're seeing how Ha is growing up. And mother is patient and kind. Again, two opposite things about the characters. So this is your connection comparing, taking two characters and comparing and contrasting them. Okay, so your differences are listed on the outside of the Venn diagram, and then your similarities will be in the middle. So things that you could say both about Ha and her mother are that they both miss their dad/husband, they both love their homeland, and they both are worried about war and what will happen to them. So this is just a really great example of what a completed connection comparing slide would look like. Take the two characters in your books, type in their names, give some differences about the two of them, and some similarities right in the middle. If you have any questions, please let us know. This is Mosier, over and out.